warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, perkenalkan nama saya Wijaya. Hari ini saya berada di Pantai Burung Mandi. Di Pantai Burung Mandi ini terdapat pasir putih yang halus, air laut yang jernih, dan pepohonan yang rindang.
You too busy trying to find that blue I saw. I let my black hair grow and my weed smoke. And I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next, so then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a kid show. Talking about a face, coming off a bag of blow. I'm like, goddamn bitch, I am not a teen choice. Goddamn bitch, I am not a bleach boy. Whip thing, make a nigga understand though. Got that Hannibal, silence of the Lambo. Hit the gas so hard, make it rotate. All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she gon' loan me. You know me, you know me, you know me. Every time you try to forget who I am, I'll be right there to remind you again. You know me, you know me. Said I'm just trying to swim in something wetter than the ocean. Faded up a double cup, I'm mixing up the potion. All I wanna do is make that money and make dope shit. It just seem like niggas trying to sound like all my ocean. Everybody knows it, all these niggas know me. Platinum off a mixtape, sipping on that codeine. Pour it in my trophies, rolling to my nosebleed. I'ma keep on singing while I'm burning up that OG. All my niggas scared, they make money all alone. Rock a chain around their neck, making sure I'm get a home when I travel around the globe.
Inilah akhir dari film pendek kami. Saya Wijaya pamit undur diri. See you next time.
Try to mattress on the floor, now my shit straight. Eating all day, trying to lose weight. That good sex will sweat it out. Hotel bed springs will wear it out. I ain't gotta tell you, cause you know me. You know me, know me. You know me, know me.
بارك الله لكم ولنا الله بارك لهما الله أدم حبهما الله صل وسلم على رسول الله الله
Ke sini ke? Pasal mana? Pasal kurang? Pasal sepapa suhu. Sepapa sebagai. Tu apa dia cakap tiraju?
Ya, kata kok mana ini? Tuh. Ah!